The noodle is so thick. It's big. And it comes with two stuff. One is the flakes. Another one is the soup base. When it starts to boil, I'm gonna put one egg in. And then put a noodle in. This is the flake. And this is the soup base. I think this is pretty spicy. Depends on the color. I'm gonna put them all in. And then turn down heat to medium. And on the back of the bag it says cook for 5 minutes. I'm gonna follow this. Now it's about 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna put it into the bowl. It smells really good, very rich seafood flavor, and also very spicy. I'm gonna try the soup first. It's very good. It's not very salty, but I think it's pretty spicy. I boiled this for 5 minutes, but I think the noodle is still a little bit hard. I think if you want a softer noodle, probably just adding another 1 or 2 minutes. The noodle is actually very good. It's very smooth and a little bit hard. And plus the soup, I think this is a very good hot udon. Now I'm going to enjoy my spicy seafood flavored noodle soup. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.